Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI.
I have found my it bag. This is just the most perfect little black purse. This is by ERCOXIS and it is a genuine leather purse. One of my favorite features is that this comes with two straps. So it can either be a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. And either one is stunning. I get so many compliments every time I carry this bag. People are always asking me, where did I get it? This purse came really well packaged as well, really protecting that leather. And when I opened it up, you could see how nice it was. It was just a beautiful leather, no blemishes whatsoever. The straps are detachable, so you can switch between either the crossbody, the longer strap, or the shorter strap relatively easy. I really like the hardware. I felt like it was very secure. So it is a very easy process to take off the strap and then to put it back on, but it's very secure. It's not going to be coming off during regular everyday wear. I love the closing clasp on this purse too. Really smooth, really easy, and super unique. This purse has a really nice capacity as well. I could fit my everyday essentials very easily, my lipsticks, my keys, my phone, even my wallet is larger and it fit very well inside. And it has some really nice internal pockets as well. I can't say enough good things about this purse. It's just perfect. I love it so much, and I hope you do too.
And that's my point of view.